say?
Well, we were about to head home, after having a bonfire.
Oh, I can guess where this is going.
Right. See, Smokey told me the fire wasn't actually out. He said if it's too hot to touch, it's too hot to leave.
That's true. Did you know that 9 out of 10 wildfires are caused by humans? That means 9 out of 10 wildfires can be prevented.
Wow, no kidding?
I'm a forest ranger. We never kid.
Sorry.
He said it all because he said there's a whole bunch of entitled actors and actresses qualified to give opinions. And let's put it really bluntly. If you really want working people to have a better life, you ought to do something about your home state in California right here. I'd have a lot more respect for Brad Pitt and some of these other actors if they really got involved in trying to do something about the government in California that is driving up the cost of housing with regulations and taxes, that is making it almost impossible to be able to afford water, clean, difficult to actually do business in this state, so that people have opportunity. These actors and actresses make a great living, Liz.